Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to add digital noise in Photoshop. Let's get started. First of all, open your image or direct place. Right click rasterize layer or control align middle. Then go to filter tab, noise, add noise and use noise system. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. And add fixed noise, use clipping mask.